Hi guys, it's Tony at Girl Just DIY, and I'm here today to show you how I made this beautiful Chevron storage cabinet with plans by Jen Woodhouse at House of Wood. It's a great tutorial. You can find the link to the tutorial and the plans in the description below. So let's get started. Start by making your plywood cuts using a table saw. You could also use a rip cut guide and a circular saw. You'll end up with two sides and one each of the top, bottom, shelf, and backer. The plans show you the exact layout you need, so there's no waste. Next, use a miter saw to cut the 4 legs and the 4 aprons from 2x2s. Make all pocket holes in the pieces you just cut at their proper location and depth according to the plans. I really love how easy this jig makes it to build stuff. With the pocket holes done, it's time to assemble the 2 side and bottom panels using wood glue and pocket hole screws. Clamps come in very handy to hold everything together while you work. To assemble the cabinet base, lay the right side panel on your work surface and using wood glue, a right angle clamp, and pocket hole screws, attach the 2 pieces together. Gently flip the connected pieces to their side and use the same process to connect the bottom to the left side panel. Hold the front and back apron pieces in place with clamps while you connect the left and right side panels with pocket hole screws. Before attaching the top of the cabinet, apply edge banding to the exposed edges of the plywood. Clamp the top of the cabinet in place and attach from underneath. To trim out the doors with the chevron pattern, follow the direction in the tutorial and plans. Attach the outside frame first with wood glue and brad nails. Set your miter saw at 45 degrees and make the inside angle cuts. Measure, cut, and dry fit all pieces first. When you're ready to attach the pieces, remove them in order and attach them with wood glue and brad nails. Don't forget to wipe off excess glue when you're finished. Stain or paint your cabinet in your favorite finish. I chose classic gray stain for my new cabinet, and I love how it shows off the grain on the cabinet doors. Attach the backer, doors, and knobs, and you now have a beautiful chevron storage cabinet for your dining room or any room in your house. I hope you've enjoyed this project, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my creative projects.